CrankWheel for SaaS sales teams, game changer? You've probably heard a lot about CrankWheel and whether it can actually make a difference in your SaaS sales team's performance. Well, today we're diving into whether this tool can be a game changer or just another buzzword in sales tech. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal how you can access CrankWheel for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now, let's jump right in. CrankWheel's main appeal is its one-click screen sharing feature. Imagine you're on a call with a potential client and you want to show them something on your screen. With CrankWheel, you don't need to deal with complicated setups or require them to install anything. A simple link is all it takes to share your screen, and that's huge for efficiency, especially for SaaS sales teams where time is money. Next thing, CrankWheel also allows you to connect with prospects without needing them to download software. For SaaS sales teams, this is a massive win. You can jump right into your pitch, no barriers, no distractions. Whether it's showing them the dashboard, a demo, or even walking them through a complex process, CrankWheel ensures a smooth experience for both you and your client. The third thing that stands out is CrankWheel's ability to integrate into your existing sales stack. It's not another system you need to juggle with your CRM or your marketing tools. It syncs seamlessly with platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot, ensuring that your sales team doesn't have to waste time trying to make things work. This is a game changer in keeping everything in one place. Next, the analytics. CrankWheel's detailed analytics dashboard allows you to track every session. You get data on how engaged your prospects were, what parts of your demo grabbed their attention, and where they dropped off. For SaaS sales teams, this data is gold because it allows you to fine-tune your approach and understand exactly what's working and what isn't. Another key aspect is CrankWheel's scalability. Whether your sales team is small or large, CrankWheel adjusts to your needs. The ability to scale your operations quickly without losing efficiency is crucial for fast-growing SaaS businesses. Finally, let's talk about the free trial. You can start using CrankWheel right away, and thanks to the exclusive bonuses we have for you, you'll be able to access features that could normally cost you a lot. Don't miss out on this limited offer. It could be the edge your SaaS sales team needs. So, is CrankWheel a game changer for SaaS sales teams? If you want seamless screen sharing, easy integration, detailed analytics, and a tool that scales with your business, then yes, it could be just the thing your sales team needs to close more deals faster. Remember, you can get started with CrankWheel for free by clicking the first link in the description. And don't forget, our exclusive bonuses come with the extended free trial. Give it a shot and see if it transforms your sales process. Thanks for watching.